how to create trendy t-shirt designs for your print-on-demand store. When it comes to creating designs for your t-shirt or apparel store, it can be hard to start from scratch. And that's why tons of store owners, just like myself, use Kittl, because there are thousands of templates in every popular niche that you can think of. And maybe you don't know what niche to dive into and you have a brand, there's some amazing designs for that as well. It's very user-friendly, so even if you have no experience, you could do it too. So check it out, there's multiple niches going on. We got cars, we got horses, we got rodeo, we even got fitness and CrossFit. And this is what I'm talking about. This design right here, it's not necessarily in a niche, but it's a really dope design if you have a brand. So let's say you own a gym and you want to start launching some apparel. You can click on this one right here. It's crazy because a lot of people don't even know how to create this curved text. I'm just going to double click on it. I'm going to type in Mr. Riches. As soon as I exit out, it's going to curve it for me. I'm gonna put CrossFit right here. Check it out. Now I have Mr. Rich's CrossFit Center, and it's really easy to change these emblems as well. As you can see, I'm just moving it around. I'm actually gonna hop into the AI system where it has vector art. I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna type in a Fit Rich Warrior logo. We're gonna see what it comes up with, and check that out. And since I use AI, I know nobody else is gonna have this logo. I'm gonna go ahead and center that. Boom, check it out. We got our new logo for our CrossFit gym. Now I'm gonna mock it up. Check it out, now we got a mock up. We can list it up on our Shopify or our Etsy store, wherever you're selling it. It's ready to go. Kittl has completely changed the game for apparel design, so click the link and try it out for free today.